Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel and wondering why your videos aren't getting recommended? There's one hidden setting that might be holding you back. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what you need to do, what this setting is, and why it's hurting your watch hour, and also how you can fix it today to skyrocket your success. In order to make this work, you need to follow every step-by-step guide that I'm going to give in this video. So please do not skip the video. Watch it till the end so you can get every little detail you need to get. So now I'm going to record my screen for you guys and show you guys exactly what you need to do. Let's dive in. So first things first, we're going to go to our YouTube studio on the website. So open your browser and type studio.youtube.com. This magic wand, you click on that and it will take you to your profile. That's your channel customization. You see profile and home tab. We're going to go to this home tab now. As you can see here on my profile, I've already done my setting. I have my channel trailer. I have my featured video for returning subscribers. See all this section here. When you see add section, okay, so what we're doing here now, we're trying to customize the page for more recommendations so that when people come to your page, they're able to get the right video recommended to them to increase your watch hour. So now this is my layout. I've already set my own, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it already. Then we'll go to this part where we see add sections. As you can see here, there's a way to edit the kind of video that is in this place. You see for you, we see videos, we see popular videos, and we see featured channels, short videos, created playlists. This is my own already customized page. So you can just add your first video, which is your channel trailer. You click on it, you can see that you can change the video or you can remove the video. In your own case, if you don't have a channel trailer, it will show you add video. So now let me pretend as if I want to change my video. If I change the video or you want to add video, this is how it will show you all your videos that you've posted. So you can click your channel trailer from here. That is a video that you want everybody that comes to your channel to most definitely watch. Video that depicts what your channel is about or your best viewing video. You put it there as your channel trailer. Okay. So then you go back to down to featured videos for returning subscribers. Now this one is for people that are returning back to your channel, people that are already subscribed and are coming back to watch video. It could be your current video that you just posted and you want people to just come and watch it. You set that and you put the video there. Now the main thing we're here for, the main setting that would make your videos be recommended, like your current videos, is this for you button over here. Okay, this for you button over here. This is YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. So this is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. Okay, so we're going to click on the more settings, and this is it here. This is the main thing. So listen carefully, okay? We have videos, short, and live stream. You see that the three of them are on, but the main thing is this recency. So we are going to turn off live stream, okay, because we don't need people seeing our live stream, except you do a lot of live stream. You can leave that on. If you want to turn off your shot, you can leave that on. You can turn it off, but I left mine on because I want people to also see my current shot. So we go to this recency. Obviously, yours is going to be on all content recommended. We're going to change that to recent content only because this content are content you posted in the last 12 months that YouTube will recommend to people that are coming to your page. And remember, for monetization, what counts is your views in the last 12 months, in the last 365 days. So the ones for 2 years ago, they don't count anymore. So we need to set that to recent content only so that when people are coming, the only videos YouTube are recommending to them are videos you've posted in the last 12 months, which helps boost your watch hour, which is the goal, to boost your watch hour. So, okay, make sure you set this to recent content only. And most times, our old videos, your old videos that you've posted in the past, they're not as great as the new videos because you're already improving, you're growing, your setup has changed, you've expanded. So this is the setting we want it to be on. Click this and change it to recent content only. If you don't do shorts or you don't want your shorts to be recommended, do not forget to turn off shorts and we'll leave it to only video. But if you want both your shorts and your current live stream and your videos to be recommended, then you turn everything on and you save it. Then we'll go down to the remaining part of the customization, our channel customization. That's where you go to add section. If you want to add more, you add your section, you put your popular video next as a section. That's what I did. And then I put my featured channels and then I put my short videos. I put my created playlist. That's the playlist I already created. So my channel is being set exactly to how I want viewers to see it when they come to the channel. Okay, so now we are going to open the YouTube app and visit the channel as a visitor. Let's see how the thing is going to be, how it's going to view. So now I'm just going to search for my channel. Okay, guys, if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe right now. We are growing. Okay, so now as you can see, this is my homepage. Yeah, when people come, this is what they see. This is my trailer video that I left there. Make money on YouTube without 1,000 subscribers. I want a lot of people to see this video because it's very important. Then this is my For You. As you can see, the videos that are being recommended are my recent videos I just posted 4 days ago, 9 days ago. But because this is a new channel, all my videos are just within 2 to 3 weeks. So basically, my videos are new. But for you, if your channel is not new, or even if your channel is new, as you can see, what is being recommended here is my current video. So if you scroll down to the remaining part of the customization I showed you guys, these are my normal videos. As you see where they end, YouTube doesn't show all. Then the next one I set, which is my popular videos that I want people to also see. Next is my featured channel. That's my extra YouTube channels. Then my short and my created playlist. As you can see, I have customized my channel and set it up in a way that when people come, they see what I want them to see. And this also helps them watch the kind of videos I want them to watch, the ones that are best for them. And this helps to increase the watch hour. Don't forget your watch hour is your hour within 12 months. So that's all you need to do, guys. It's as simple as that. You do this and then you watch YouTube work its magic on your channel. Now that you know the secret to fixing your recommendation and boosting your watch hour, it's time to take action. Do exactly as I've told you to do in this video and watch your channel performance change. It's going to soar higher. If you found this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below. I would like to know your biggest takeaway from this video. Remember, small tweaks lead to big growth. So keep creating, keep posting, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.